Hi everyone, my name is Erin. I'm a future professional here at Paul Mitchell The School, and this is our tip of the week. I'm here with my model today, another future professional. Her name is Madison, and we're just going to be doing some loose beach waves on her. And yeah, so this half is already done, as you can see, so I still have this other half to do. And you can see here, they're just really loose, kind of flowy beach waves, and it kind of gives loose effect. And so we're going to start with the hot off the press style, which is just a heat protector, which is good for any time you're using any type of heat on your hair, whether it's straightening or curling. And we're just going to take the hair and just kind of flow it and get it all over. And then just one more time, we're going to brush through the hair. So I'm going to divide this hair in half, just so it's easier as I'm taking my sections, and just to make sure I'm not taking too big of a section. Alright, so I'm going to start with taking probably about an inch or so section from the bottom. And this piece is pretty small, and since we're doing thicker waves, we can just go in with this whole piece, and you're going to want to curl away from the face. And I only leave it on for about 5 or 10 seconds, just so the curls are a little bit more loose. I'm going to split this one in half. And make sure when you're doing these curls that the hair is brushed, because otherwise it's going to create a more frizzier curl. If you miss a piece, you can just go over and curl it really quickly. I like these curls because they're quick to do and they can last for a few days. Even though they are beach waves, you can do these kind of curls year round. As I get to the top of the head, I like taking thicker sections just so that the curls will come out more thicker and more loose. So now we're going to move on to this side section. Since the hair is thinner on this side, you can take kind of a bigger first section out. I'll just take this whole section and curl it. You want to make sure you're curling in the direction, whatever direction you're going, away from the face, so that the curls don't go in the face. Inner pieces, you can leave them on for just a few seconds. And this last piece, I'm going to include the longer piece of her bangs, just so that they'll kind of flow in, and if they fall out, I'll just go over them. Just one little curl around just so that they can kind of go in with the curls. And then to finish off, we're going to comb through. Blend it with the rest of the hair. Then to finish off, I'm going to spray some Awapui Wild Ginger Shine Spray, just to give it a really sleek effect. I'm going to do it in the same motion as I did on, with the heat protector. and that's the finished result. So that was my tip of the week. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for watching.